Gear has launched their new Grim gaming keyboard in India. The keyboard price in India is 599 rupees. The buy link are in description. So let's begin the video. So this is an keyboard box. It have rainbow color, 19 anti-ghost keys and 1000 hertz, and it is an stainless steel metal backlit keyboard. It have USB connector cable with Windows 10 and Apple MacBook. The wire of this is long and durable. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more notification daily.